In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Twitch app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so this is the Twitch app and let me show you how you can install it. First, I'll uninstall or remove it from my smartphone. Now to install this app, you need to go to your phone and look for Google Play Store app. This is if you are on Android smartphone. However, if you're on iPhone, look for an app called App Store. From here, tap on Play Store and then go to search here and just search for Twitch like that. And if you run your search, now you can see this is the first option here, Twitch app. Tap on it and you want to make sure that it is from Twitch Interactive Incorporation. This is the official company that created Twitch. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 on Google Play Store with over 5 million reviews. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. If you see this data, you have the right app. The average file size is just below 60 MBs. So to get it, just tap on install while your data is on, and now this will download and install this app on your smartphone. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, now you can open it straight from here, or if you go back to your phone and go to your apps, now you can see we have our Twitch app here. Open it to start using, and this is the welcoming logo. So that's how you can get the right Twitch app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.